Renewable energy refers to energy that is derived from natural resources that are replenished over time, such as solar, wind, hydro, geothermal, and biomass. Unlike fossil fuels, which are finite and contribute to climate change through carbon emissions, renewable energy sources are abundant, clean, and sustainable. Renewable energy matters for several reasons. First, it can help to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and mitigate climate change. By replacing fossil fuels with renewable energy, we can significantly reduce the amount of carbon dioxide and other pollutants released into the atmosphere. Second, renewable energy can help to improve energy security and independence. Unlike fossil fuels, which are subject to price volatility and supply disruptions, renewable energy sources are often more predictable and reliable. This can help to stabilize energy prices and reduce dependence on foreign oil. Third, renewable energy can create new economic opportunities and jobs. As the demand for renewable energy grows, so does the need for skilled workers in areas such as engineering, construction, and manufacturing. Renewable energy can also support local economies and communities by providing a stable source of income and reducing reliance on imported energy. In summary, renewable energy matters because it can help to mitigate climate change, improve energy security, and create new economic opportunities. By transitioning to renewable energy sources, we can build a more sustainable and equitable future for ourselves and future generations. Global energy demand has been steadily increasing as populations grow and economies develop. According to the International Energy Agency, global energy demand is projected to increase by about 4.6% in 2022, reflecting a rebound from the COVID-19 pandemic and continued economic growth in many parts of the world. However, the majority of the world's energy still comes from fossil fuels, such as coal, oil, and natural gas. These fuels are non-renewable, finite resources that contribute to climate change and other environmental problems. The burning of fossil fuels releases carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, which trap heat and contribute to global warming. Fossil fuels also have other environmental impacts, such as air and water pollution, habitat destruction, and negative impacts on human health. For example, burning coal releases sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and particulate matter, which can cause respiratory problems and other health issues. The extraction and transportation of fossil fuels can also have negative environmental impacts, such as oil spills, methane leaks, and habitat destruction. These impacts can harm biodiversity, disrupt ecosystems, and threaten the livelihoods of local communities. Overall, the continued reliance on fossil fuels is not sustainable, and it is crucial to transition to renewable energy sources to mitigate climate change and reduce the environmental impacts of energy production. Types of renewable energy. There are several types of renewable energy sources that can be used to generate electricity and heat. Some of the most common ones are 1. Solar energy. Solar energy is obtained from the sun's radiation and can be harnessed using photovoltaic (PEV) panels or solar thermal collectors. PV panels convert sunlight directly into electricity, while solar thermal collectors absorb sunlight to heat water or air, which can be used to generate electricity or for heating. 2. Wind energy. Wind energy is obtained from the kinetic energy of wind, which can be used to turn turbines and generate electricity. Wind turbines can be installed on land or offshore, and their size can range from small turbines for individual homes to large-scale wind farms that can power entire cities. 3. Hydro energy. Hydro energy is obtained from the kinetic energy of moving water, which can be harnessed using turbines in dams or run-of-river projects. Hydro energy is a reliable and predictable source of energy, but its implementation can have negative environmental impacts, such as habitat destruction and displacement of communities. 4. Geothermal energy. Geothermal energy is obtained from the heat of the Earth's interior, which can be used to generate electricity or for heating. Geothermal power plants use steam or hot water from geothermal reservoirs to turn turbines and generate electricity. 5. Biomass energy. Biomass energy is obtained from organic matter, such as wood, agricultural residues, or energy crops, which can be burned to generate heat or electricity. Biomass energy can also be converted into biofuels, such as ethanol and biodiesels, which can be used as transportation fuels. Each of these renewable energy sources has its own advantages and disadvantages, and their suitability depends on factors such as geography, climate, and local resources. By diversifying the mix of renewable energy sources, we can ensure a more stable and sustainable energy supply for the future.